I've been watching a lot of locks videos, like picking locks, and I came across this guy called Starly Lock, and I've been watching all his videos, and it's really like, I really want to get into it. So I was talking to him, and he emailed me and told me, you know, where to start and what to buy first. So which is really nice of him. And so I'm going to start doing picking locks. This is just a starter kit. I got all different types of locks right here. Okay. I have got a starter lock. Wait a minute. I've got a starter lock. Yeah, that's the starter lock. The reason you get starter lock, so you can see all the pins and where you can move them, and that's how you learn to unlock a thing. Okay, but and also I got some old locks as well, separate. I got one of these. This is a German lock. Okay, a big German lock. It's pretty cool. This one is. Yeah, so this looks like a really hard lock to unlock, so I probably won't start with that one. I got a big one by here as well. I've got all the keys for each one as well. These are like the old type of locks used to put in the doors. Yeah. And I got some locks like this as well. So yeah, so I got 5 locks to start with. 4 more older one and a starter lock. So this is just a video, just me exploring. I'm not an expert. This is the first time I've even tried in my life to pick a lock. I've always wanted to try it. I think, you see it on the movies and stuff like that, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, I thought add to my thing. I've been watching a lot of Starly Lock's videos, so hopefully I'll learn something from there and I'll be able to pick a lock. I'm going to start with this one because you can see everything inside it. Okay. And yeah, go from there. My hair's in the way. So I believe you do something like this. Put that one in like that, and then choose a pin. I'm not 100% sure what one, you know, to use, but I'll go from there and see if I can pick a lock. See, I can see the pins going through. Okay. Okay. Okay, if I can get it. It's my first time, so I probably won't get it the first time, but well, I show you. You can see the pins. Yeah, so yeah, okay, so okay, the pins are going through. Okay. Now I need a bit of practice in because I'll get there. I'll get there, hopefully. Okay. So, I'm not 100% sure if I got it in the right place. A starter either. But I'll get there. Okay. Okay, so put that like that. My first go is not going too good, but here we go. Wait a minute. I'll choose that. Have I put in the wrong bit now? Okay. Hopefully I'll be able to pick a lock soon. That's my daughter in the background being silly. Okay. So, I'll get there. I just have to practice it. Okay, maybe start with a different lock.
No, that's not me, okay?
I'll try this one now. I just need to keep on doing it until really I get the point of doing it, isn't it? So, don't. I need to keep on watching his videos, and I'll get there. He's a lot more experienced than I am, but I'm sure with practice, I'll get there.
Oh, Mummy, I know exactly what to do. Mummy, I know exactly what to do. This is mine, okay?
Okay, look, that's fine then.
This is
Go on.
mine. My desk is my car.
Your desk is your class.
But it is, it's true.
Okay, now. So you can see these moving, and when they're moving, I think that's when you can pick it. Okay. Oops. That's no good coming out like that, is it? Okay, I'll try another one. You know, I got all sorts, so I'll get there. I just need to get used to using the tools and what to use them for. No, but I'm sure I'll get there. I like this one. I don't know that one any good, but I'll try. Okay, so wait.
Oh, Mummy,
I got these coming up.
Mummy, I can record, but I can only record if I'm in a game.
Okay.
Mummy, I can record, but I can only record if I'm in a game.
Okay.
How's the season?
Oh, I'm getting all these up, but I'm not getting the bottom up. I'll get there. Okay. I can even get this out now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's harder than I thought it was. It does look hard on the video. It's really, really hard. So, but I thought a starter log I might have had more of a chance. But maybe on my second video I might do it. I might do it on this video. You never know. Okay. No chance in doing that, is it? Okay. Okay. Oh, I heard something then. Okay. Get there, I'll get there. Okay, try it this way now. Okay. Hang on, look. So it's not going all good yet, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna go and keep on doing these videos to see how what would be good. People who have no experience at all and try and pick a lock. Yeah. Got any tips? Let me know and I'll try. But thing is, you can see all the stuff in here, and I just sort of need to sort what can't get the last one up. That's the problem. Just the last one. That's the key, I think. Okay. I'll get there. Okay, I had the key for this. I'm going to unlock this now and just have a look. Okay, what? You put it in. Okay, so this is how a lock works. Should I say? I'm gonna lock it first, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Well, that's locked. Okay. Oh, see, that's locked. So you put these in, and this is how a key works. And they lift up like that. All these lift up, and then that's how it opens, you see? So I need to turn that up and put that like that. I just need to figure out how to do it. I'm new at this, so I'm not going to expect to do it the first time. I might need a couple of times doing it, maybe. Might take me a month, I don't know. So just try to copy what I remember from the videos and stuff like that would be cool. But that's like that. Okay, I'm going to try a different, and the key is try different tools as well. And this is the last one I can't get. See it right by here. Right. See, so you start off like this. You put that in. See, you can see them moving up. Okay, maybe. Might need it. Okay. I can see that almost moving. So you go like that. It's all about playing with it and finally getting to know the key. Okay. I actually found a lock as well the other day. Usually you find them in like gardens and stuff like that. So that was lucky. So I need to wash. It's in my garden at the moment. I need to wash it out and actually. I might try and pick that lock as well. Wait a minute. Oh, I see that about to move. Yeah. Might got it. Nope. I thought I had it. It felt like this thing was moving. Okay. I'm going to get this somehow, ain't I? Okay, I'm going to try a different lock, okay? I've got all different ones. So yeah, it's not going too well, but I've been trying this for 13 minutes. Story lock, there's like 4 or 5 locks in 2 minutes. So I got a long way to go. Yeah. Story lock, sorry. Okay. Let me think. Okay, you know what? I just have to remember what I've saw, and you know, the more videos I watch, the better I'll get. So put this down here like this. I might be doing it wrong. I might be doing it right. You don't know. See, like this. It's the last one. It's the key to get up. And I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. Am I? Oh, I'm getting these ones up. Oh, I did it! I picked the lock! Oh my god! I thought I was going to do like 5 or 6 videos before I did that. Did you see that? Did you see that? That was with this one. And I think that one fell out when I did it. I actually picked a lock. took me 15 minutes, but I've done it. So this is a press it lock. This is what you start with. Now I've actually done it and I realised how to do it. You have to just learn how these work, the pins, and how to move it inside. Then obviously once I'm better, I can start with stuff like this. That looks like a really good, like a really thin one. So it's all locked again. I'm going to see if I can do it again now. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool. I would have been able to do that if I haven't been watching or Starry Lock's videos. I've been like binge watching him. I have just constantly watching him. Loads of videos. Okay, now what one was it? Was it this one? Okay, I'm going to try that again. It's locked again. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try it again. Okay. I'm going to try it without that bit. That was just too good to be true. Oh my god. I'm really impressed with that. I did it for my first go. It took me 15 minutes to do it. But, okay. 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 I probably need to put the camera somewhere else to maybe get you a bit closer. Hang on. Can you see it all better? Okay, okay, I can see it. Maybe I need this one in there. Okay. I can. Okay, so. Okay. I'm getting it this time, but I'll get it there, don't worry. Okay. Okay, I did the first one. It's going on to 17 minutes. I did the first lock. Okay, that's the practice one. So I'm going to just show you. I'll do another video just showing the locks I'm planning on doing. But I need to press it loads of this one. And see how we go. Wait a minute, I'll give it one more go. Give it one more go.
Monster!
Okay, just try. It's pretty cool doing that. Okay. Okay, I think.
These are mine, Mummy.
It's gonna take me a while to do this, ain't it, again?
Mummy,
I don't know how I did it last time. I just said it was fluke, I think.
Dad's best mates.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Do you see it?
I do.
They do that.
Okay, put that more this side.
Mummy.
Okay. And. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
I picked up right when I did it with. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wait a minute. Okay. Try it from one bit. So I knew what I was doing. Getting all the pins up apart from the last one. That's what I had trouble with the first time. So I know what I'm doing.
FBI, open it.
Okay. Yeah, that would be do for now. So yeah, this starter kit is pretty awesome. I got a lock. See-through, obviously, so it's plastic. You plastic. I can't even say it, can I? Okay, never mind. No, it's just you try this one so it's see-through, you can see everything before you get on to the next, like I said. So I got loads of different tools. The lock and all these tools were around £10 including postage. So yeah, 10 Great Britain pounds. So I got all these. A minute. Quite a few different locks, so I can see what one's better for each one, isn't it? So some won't go with each. And the more videos I do, the better. It's quite good. When you're in at home, you've got nothing to do. It'd be quite good to just watch some TV and pick some locks at the same time. And that's what I'll be doing later. Do some plastic ones until I get it. So yeah, it's quite a lot of picks. I got this, like tweezer. I got these two sides what you slot in, and then all these for £10 with the lock and the case. I got these to put them in. So I'll put the link below, you know, to show you all. But yeah, pretty cool. I actually picked a lock. That was my first attempt. It did take about 15 minutes to do, but I did it. That's the main thing. So hopefully I get better. It's quite interesting to do, something different. And yeah, if you have it locked in the room, you can pick your way out, can't you? Okay, so yeah, I got this lock here. I don't know much about it. These are like the old, what's it called, locks? Let me get this up. Oh, it's all dusty. Like the old doors, you know, like in the 80s and stuff. Before then, you had these type of doors. Maybe before that. I don't know that much about locks, so that's all I know. Hang on. I have to figure out what key is for what. Yeah, I believe these are for this one, maybe. Yeah, this is for that one. See, so it goes like that. Like that. Hear all those noises. It's good to have the keys so you can like hear the noises and get the lock picked. Okay, what now? This might be for this. This looks pretty cool.